Wanna know how to select multiple tracks in Audacity? But in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do so. So let's get right into it. Now first up, open up Audacity, and here we have multiple tracks right here. To select it, you can just simply press Ctrl+A, and here you can see all the tracks has been selected right here. You can either drag it as well, so make sure your selection tool is selected and just drag it. And here you can see multiple tracks are selected like this as well. So it's as easy as that. So let's say you have two audios in the same track. So if you want to select both of them, just go outside the track and double click on it. And here you can see the entire section of track has been selected. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.